as this is the root chakra, root means source of everything, right? Like a plant has a root, means that is the source of everything. Before that there is a seed. If we don't have a root, then there is a seed. The seed is the form of life and the root is the expansion of life. So this is the base chakra, root chakra, in which there are 4 vayus: Agyat Prana, Avak, Samir or Sakampan. These all are Samvaha vayus. Agyat Prana is the Vayu, that Samvaha Vayu, that carries the cycle of birth and death. This is the one which is responsible for the cycle of birth and death, and this is the only one which carries each and every information about your life. And furthermore, this is a Samvaha Vayu, so this carries the information with other bits as well. Now this is the base Vayu and the source for all 14 worlds or 14 Bhuvan. Next Vayu is Samir Samvaha. Samir creates those smells which we feel in the morning, either odor smell, bad smell or good smell, from inside our body, which creates a power for expulsion. That is done by Avak Vayu. Means these two Vayus are totally responsible for your private functionality like pooping and urination. So these two Vayus are important for your expulsion in your body. So whenever you might face a constipation, loose motion or anything related to your private part functionality which has a condition of erectile dysfunction or anything like that, he might be facing such kind of problem with these two concerned Vayus, and controlling Mooladhara Chakra will help you to get rid of those problems. Those problems can be controlled by Mooladhara Chakra. Those problems which you are facing in the form of physical presence can be controlled by yogic practices which are Vajroli, Moolbandh and Ashwini Mudra, or the 3 knots together. Sakampan Vayu, involuntary shivering, which are created for Swar, and anything which creates shivering in your body from the base part, from the part of the lumbar spine, is created by Sakampan Vayu. Vibrations happening in your body are totally responsible by Sakampan Vayu, but the only vibration which are happening under your navel portion. The vibrations which you get from your fart or anything are helpful by this kind of Vayu. The next chakra is the Swadhisthana.